So hi guys, new video today, and I'm going to present you a new project on the Elrond blockchain. So let's move on. So this is our new project. It's called Elrond Brawlers. So here we are on the website. So I'm going just to click here to observe the white paper. So I'm going to give you a link into the description so you can have a deep understanding of what the project is doing. So first, are you ready to fight with the world's finest? So here, this is the white paper. It's looking good. And what we see here is that they are stating that many NFT projects seeks to bring together individuals with common interests because creating a project with that in mind is the best way to achieve and actually have a healthy community. So this is a quick introduction. So here we can see one of the brawler, and what we learn is that they are going to develop a play to earn and player versus player gaming platform. And by fighting with our NFTs, we will have the opportunity to get the Brawl Token, and others will have the opportunity to climb the ranks and have higher wagers regarding the rankings they have against other players. So here it's a quick story to actually introduce the lore of the project. So I'm going to let you guys read that on your own. So here they are talking a bit about the artwork. So basically each NFTs will have a different wearing with different combination of clothes and fighting stance. But the value that they hold comes from more than that. Actually, they wanted to do something quite minimalist, so it could be easier to integrate those tokens into a play-to-earn game. Finally, here, this is the roadmap. So stage 1, beaconing the brawlers. So after the city of Elrond collapsed, its inhabitants got together to form their own fight club. So in order to have a great growth, it means that it has to build a community somehow, and they have to create a play-to-earn game. And here, stage 2, the first fight, so it will be the mint. So when the community will be ready, they will just launch the mint in 2 parts. So there will be a pre-sale for early adopters and finally a public mint. Then stage 3, so they will create their native token, the Brawl Token. So this is the token that you will be able to earn when you will be fighting with your NFTs. And also the token will be used to wager on in real life events, fights, and also on game played against other holders. Finally, the stage 4 is going to be the release of the play to earn game, and everyone will have the opportunity to use their NFT and fight in order to claim the ranks. As you can see, it's a project with different utilities. So first is an investment because you're going to have some ownership by having NFTs. Secondly, with the native token, you will also have ownership because by playing the game, you will earn rewards, and those rewards might have an intrinsic value someday, somehow. Sure, it will be a game, so it's actually funny to be part of the game. It's also a new network because through their website, they'll be able to keep the holders up to date regarding different news around the world on the fighting community. And as I said in the beginning, it's inspired by Elrond Labs. They are actually providing and supporting NFTs project on the Elrond blockchain. So they want to be part of the success story of this lab, and that's why they are collaborating together. Finally, last but not least, the community, because if we like what they are building and we want to be part of it, we just have to join them on Twitter and Discord in order to try to have a whitelist for the pre-sale mint, for example. So we kind of reviewed the white paper. I'm going to give you a link so you can read it again and again in order to be sure that you fully understand what's the project about. So yeah, here it's the total supply. It's going to be 78 NFTs. here we have snapshots of different artworks. So as they said, it's quite minimalist, but it's very polished. So this is the roadmap, we already saw that, and this is the team, the founder, the partner, administration, the CM, another CM, a brand manager, and some moderators. And finally, a little FAQ. So far, there is no mint date to be announced because they want to actually launch the project when the community will be ready. But we already have the mint price, so the mint price will be 0.78 on the public sale, and for the pre-sale it will be 0.58, so 0.2 less than the public price. That's why I'm actually very encouraging you guys to start farming your whitelist for this project if you want to have this gap on the price. Great thing is that there won't be any limits. And finally, what is a claiming portal? So the claiming portal will just be like basically the place where we will be able to claim the tokens that we earned by playing the game. Further details will be announced in a very short period of time. So that's it guys for today. If you appreciate that video, please leave a like button and subscribe to my channel. As I said, I'm going to give you the website and the Twitter, Discord link into the description so you can just join the project. And I'm actually suggesting you guys to start considering investing into that project because in my opinion it's looking very good. The NFTs are quite simple and yet very beautiful. Also the vision they have by creating a play-to-earn game and a fight game is something that in my opinion could be very entertaining, so that's why I suggest you guys to dig into that project. But as usual, it's not financial advices, and you need to do your own research before investing into any sort of stuff. So that's it guys, I hope you appreciate that, and I see you later in another video. Bye bye.